Welcome back and thank you for choosing UpdateYourList.com. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how you can utilize our suppression services to flag your records for individuals that are deceased, filed bankruptcy, are in a nursing home, in prison or jail, and also individuals who have chosen to be removed from unsolicited mail campaigns. To begin, select Step 1, Upload File from the left-hand menu. Select the database format of your file. And as you can see, we accept most third-party database formats to include Excel, Access, DBase, CSV, and all the text delimited formats. Click the Browse button and select your file to upload. In Step 2, you'll be required to select the services you want to perform on your file. In this sample tutorial, we will be performing suppression services. Simply click on Step 2, Select Services from the left-hand menu. Next, click on the submenu labeled Suppression Services. The Bankruptcy Suppression flag indicates individuals who have filed Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy. By flagging these records, you have the opportunity to suppress these individuals or perhaps send a different offer to these contacts that are going through a financial hardship. You can also save time and money by flagging records for people on your mailing list that are deceased. You can also suppress your records against the DMA database, which contains individuals who have chosen to be removed from unsolicited mail campaigns. If you're registered with the National DNC Registry and you have a current SAN number, you can scrub your records against this database. You can also flag addresses known to be nursing homes. And finally, you can optionally flag your records that are known prison and jail addresses. In Step 3, we'll go through the exercise of mapping the required fields for suppression services. In this case, we only require your file to contain name and address fields. You'll notice each column has a drop-down box. Simply make your selection for each of the required fields, and then finally click the Next button to continue. Okay, Step 4 is used to preview your selected services before continuing to the credit card checkout page. To continue to the next step, click the Confirm Order button. In the final step, you'll be required to enter your credit card information. You can optionally save your billing profile to make future checkouts easier. We do not store credit card information on our servers. Instead, we utilize Authorize.net to securely provide these services for us. Once you finish entering your billing information, click on the Submit button to authorize your credit card and submit this job to our processing queue. Congratulations! You've created a work order and submitted your file to our processing queue. Feel free to click the Print button to download a PDF version of your work order. When placing an order in the Do-It-Yourself portal, you'll receive several email notifications. The first email notification will be an input layout. And just as a side note, if you upload a large file with hundreds of thousands of records, it might take our servers a little longer than normal to prepare your file for processing. So you can kind of use the email notification of the input layout as an indicator that you can continue to the next step in selecting your services. In addition, you'll receive an email notification of your output layout, and this particular layout will include all of the fields that we append to your file, and including a detailed description of each of the field values. Finally, you'll receive an email notification with your invoice attached, and this indicates that your file has finished processing. Simply return to the Do-It-Yourself portal to download your final output files. Okay, once you return to the portal, simply refresh the current status by clicking on the dashboard icon from the top menu. And you should notice that the Action button reverts to download results, indicating that you can go to the file portal to download your output results. To download your results, select Final Output Package and click the Download Selected Files button. Your final zip file will contain your appended data along with the matching layouts. Once again, thanks for choosing UpdateYourList.com.